Hi guys, this is my other arrangement that I made. It's in a big mug. I probably need to fix that dent right there. But this is another shell that I have here with a succulent. If you watch my other video, you could see my sempervivum in a shell that I put in a wreath. So this one, I have my Echeveria pearl dawn moonbird right here. This is a baby that I was growing for a while. I think it's been a 6-month-old baby, and then I moved this baby in here inside this shell, just like what I did with the other video that I have, and just put them on top of this arrangement. And look at my other sempervivum here. It has, I think that's babies growing, is it? Let me know if I'm wrong, but I think it's babies growing here. I hope it's babies so I can make more of them and plant them around. So here is the mother of thousands, and here's another sempervivum right here. So these sempervivums are really doing good, and I can't believe for 2 weeks it already started to have some of this babies or florets coming out on the sides. And I hope this little Echeveria here will grow. So I just need to keep on watching this, making sure it's not drying up, because there's not much room in there, or well, there is soil in there, but there's not much a way of making it grow bigger because it's in a tiny shell. So we'll see. And then I also made this one here. Move this one here, and I have this other mug right here, and I have my Kalanchoe Marneriana right there in the middle, and this beautiful sempervivums. They really grow so big. I have this right on my east side of my house, and they love morning sun, and they just love the morning sun, and they grow so much brighter. Look at how bright it got them. The colors is so pretty, the pink, and this one has opened up more, and it is really doing good in this area of the house. So I think I'm gonna keep my sempervivums in this side of the house because they're happy here. And that's what I did, and this is the little mug that it came. It's so pretty, pink. So well, this is for this one. And the last one I did is this guy here. This guy. So look at the string of bananas. And this is what I have right here. I have this what you call this? I think this is the painted lady. Yep, the painted lady. And my other plants right here. I think this is the ghost plant. In my, of course, my mother of thousands that I have so much. So I have this growing for a while, and then I figured out, hey, why not put on this tall thing? It would look so much prettier, and it did. I trimmed them a little bit because it was so long, and then I cut them, and this is the other extra because it was hanging down so much on the table. So I just kind of trim them, and then that way it doesn't, you know, grow so long. So well, this is it for now. This is what I made. So I hope this will thrive. I did not put rocks underneath here. I just put some of the what you call that, moss. Yeah, I added moss right here and all around in the side there. They just cover up the rocks, I mean the soil. So that's what I have so far, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.